Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. We've just launched a brand new free catalog showing off all of our beautiful blenders and basics. So if you've been looking for that perfect fabric that's just the right color for your next project, follow along with me and I know that we're going to find something that you're going to love. When you click the catalog link below, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. You can go and full screen the presentation. Ooh, that looks nice. First up, I know a lot of you are looking for solids right now. Here is a near solid that you just cannot miss. This linen texture collection is actually 100% quilting cotton. It's not linen, so it's not going to wrinkle and when you just look at it the wrong way. So this is a beautiful, beautiful choice. If you're looking for something that's basically a solid, you cannot go wrong with these. Next up, we've got a classic. These dimples by Gail Kessler. These have been a staple of our line for decades. If you don't know them by now, they have this really nice golf ball dimple kind of texture. It's beautiful tonal. So it gives you the solid fabric color saturation, but it gives you a little bit of added texture on top of it. And for a limited time, on the left here, you can see our Dimples Mist collection. They're really nice, bright, and happy, just like the Hearts collection that you can see on the right. Then we've got our stars done two different ways. On the left, you've got the Star Bright collection, and on the right, you've got the original Stars collection. Both of them, same exact pattern, same exact print, really fun and easy to use scale that you don't have to worry about cutting through. Next up, we've got two more bright and colorful groups. The Swizzle Stick collection on the left is this really nice small scale wavy line. It gives you that really cool motion throughout the fabric. And on the right, we've got Kim Schafer's Holiday Treats. For some of us, Christmas and holidays are all year round. Next up, we've got two really elegant collections from Kathy Hall. The Seven Seas collection features these beautiful blues, the dark indigos, and then we've got the same patterns done in this really on-trend gray. We've got all the light gray into the dark grays at the bottom. Next, we've got two powerhouse blender lines. On the left, we have a collection from Dyford Hall. I know a lot of you are looking for her fabric right now. I'm going to be putting out another separate video shortly to go over what fabrics we have. I know so many of you have been sending in your condolences, your well wishes for her family. We are doing everything we can to carry those through, and it means a lot to all of us. On the right, we have the Signature Style collection from Laundry Basket Quilts. It's got this really nice palette going from that nice deep straw on the upper left into these nice lighter color cream colors on the bottom right. And in each of the prints, you're getting a little bit of extra color interest. Notice the light blue and teal in some of the patterns here. We've got the Spectra Static collection next from Giucy Giuce. At the top there, you can see the way that this pattern runs across the fabric. It's a small scale, mostly tonal print. And then at the bottom of this page, you can see all of the different colors, 24 to be exact, ranging from all the blues and the greens, the cool colors, into the warms, reds and pinks and purples. And finally, we've got some beautiful, great neutrals. If you like the cover photo for this catalog, then you're going to love this collection. This is the same Sunprint 2019 collection, which we're still carrying, which is featured on the cover. We've got beautiful flowers, beautiful text in all different colors, and then Alison's signature stencil look as well. And that's not all. We also have the Sunprint 2020 collection, which is this year's version of the line. We've got more great patterns that you've come to expect from Alison here, like the embroidery pattern, the menagerie, and finally the stitched collection as well. Last but not least, we've got our Century Solids. You can definitely pre-order these now. This is the only thing that isn't available right this second. I encourage you to watch this video right here for even more information on the Century Solids collection. You're not going to want to miss that. Thank you so much again for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't already, download the lookbook which we featured in this video. You can go through it at your own speed. Until next time, be safe, stay well, and take care.